Imagine a ship setting sail without a destination. It would drift aimlessly, wouldn't it? This is why setting goals is crucial. They're your life's compass. Goals are the milestones that give our personal and professional lives a sense of direction. They are the targets we strive for, the dreams we wish to turn into reality. Just think about it. When we set goals, we are essentially providing ourselves with a focus, a point to aim for. This focus can be incredibly motivating. It pushes us to step out of our comfort zones, to grow, to improve. It's like setting our sights on a mountain peak and then working our way towards it step by step. Moreover, goals aren't just about reaching a particular destination. They are also about the journey. They allow us to track our progress, to see how far we've come, and how much further we need to go. They let us measure our improvements, our achievements, and yes, even our setbacks. And in doing so, they provide us with valuable insights that we can use to better ourselves. Just like a ship, you need a destination to reach. That's your goal. Now, the first step in your journey is to identify your goal. Be specific and clear about what you want to achieve. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a step where many people falter. You see, having a clear and specific goal is crucial to your success. Let's consider a practical example. Say you want to lose weight. That's a noble aspiration, but it's vague. Instead, aim to make it specific, like, I want to lose 10 pounds in 2 months. Why does this matter? Well, specific goals provide a clear direction and allow you to focus your efforts effectively. They give you a concrete benchmark to measure your progress against. You know exactly what you're working towards, and you'll know when you've achieved it. It's like setting your destination in a GPS before you start driving. You wouldn't just hop in the car and drive aimlessly, would you? The same principle applies to your goals. Remember, a specific goal has a much greater chance of being accomplished than a general one. So, take a moment to think about what you really want and put it into precise, measurable terms. It's the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. With your destination clear, you now need a roadmap. That's your plan. Having a goal without a plan is like setting off on a journey without knowing the way. It's crucial to break down your goal into manageable, achievable steps. Just as a builder needs blueprints to construct a building, you need a plan to reach your goal. Let's take weight loss as an example. Your overall goal might be to lose 20 pounds. But how will you do it? A well-thought-out plan might include smaller steps, like committing to a balanced diet, incorporating regular exercise into your daily routine, and maintaining a healthy sleep schedule. Each of these smaller steps are milestones on your journey to achieving your goal. Remember, a plan not only provides direction, but also allows you to track your progress. It's a roadmap to your success, a guide that helps you stay on the right path and avoid detours. It's your tool for turning your vision into reality. So start mapping, break down your goal into smaller, achievable steps, and set a timeline for each. Every small success will fuel your motivation and bring you one step closer to your ultimate goal. A well-constructed plan leads you straight to your goal. Now that you have your goal and plan, the next step is commitment. Imagine commitment as the fuel that powers the engine of your ambition. Without it, your journey towards your goal might stall or falter. Commitment is about embracing your goal with unwavering dedication and passion. It's about standing firm in the face of obstacles and choosing to persist when the going gets tough. Let's consider the story of Thomas Edison, the renowned inventor. He was committed to his goal of inventing a practical electric light bulb. Despite facing 10,000 failed attempts, his commitment never wavered. He once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His unwavering dedication eventually led him to success, illuminating the world with his invention. This is the power of commitment. It's a promise you make to yourself, a pledge to stay the course no matter what. It's the force that keeps you moving forward, even when the path is steep and filled with challenges. Remember, commitment is not just about making a decision. It's about sticking to it, even when the odds are against you. Commitment is the glue that bonds you to your goal. Consistency is the key. It's what turns your goal from a dream into reality. Now let's dive into the significance of consistency in accomplishing your dreams. Consistency, in essence, is the commitment to repeated actions. It's about showing up, day in and day out, and doing the work. And it doesn't matter if these actions are big or small. Picture this: you want to write a novel? If you write one page every day in a year, you'll have a 365-page book. That's the power of consistency. It's not about the intensity of your actions, but the regularity. It's about making steady progress, step by step, day after day. Consistency also helps build habits. When you consistently work towards your goal, it becomes a part of your routine, a part of who you are. And that's when the magic happens. That's when you start seeing real, tangible progress towards your goal. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. Your goal is your Rome, and each action you take is a brick. So keep laying those bricks. Consistency is the difference between failure and success. The final step in your goal achievement journey is review and adjustment. Just like a sailor adjusting their course in response to shifting winds, you too must adapt your strategies based on the lessons learned along the way. Consider this scenario. You've set a goal to lose weight and have been following a certain diet plan and exercise regimen. After a few weeks, you realize you haven't lost as much weight as you'd expected. This is where the importance of review and adjustment comes into play. Take a step back and review your progress. Have you been consistent with your diet and exercise? Are there any external factors that might be influencing your results? It's crucial to ask these questions and more. Once you've reviewed your progress, it's time to adjust. Maybe you need to increase the intensity of your workouts, or perhaps your diet needs a bit more tweaking. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. And here's a tip. Don't be disheartened if things don't go as planned. Consider each setback as an opportunity to learn and grow. As the saying goes, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Regular reviews ensure you're on the right path, and adjustments keep you moving forward. So there you have it, a 5-step master plan to achieve any goal. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? First, identify your goal. Make it as clear as crystal. Then create a plan, a roadmap to your destination. Next, commit to your goal. Pledge your unwavering dedication to it. Fourth, stay consistent. Perseverance is the key to unlock any door. Finally, review and adjust your plan as needed. Remember, it's okay to take a detour as long as you reach your destination. Now it's your turn. Take these steps, make them your own, and start walking towards your goal. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there's no time like the present. Let's get started on this journey. Start today, because the future belongs to those who prepare for it now. Remember, your goals are the roadmaps that guide you and show you what is possible for your life.